Hello Ankush, wish you very happy birthday. Have a great and wonderful life ahead with full of happiness and lots of happiness and lots of happiness and the fitness. Just be like 27 always.
हेलो अंकुश, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे सेफ.
Hi Ankush, wish you a very happy birthday, bro. And keep progressing like you are doing. Spread the positivity that you are doing, and the thing that you keep on saying, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas." God bless you, bro.
Hi Ankush, 11 years it has been. For us, it's always been more like friends and brother rather than doing business. So I'm so glad we still have that kind of equation, and I hope, pray, and wish that this remains forever. No matter where the journey takes us, you'll always have a friend and a brother in me, and I'll always have you. I don't know, I don't have much to say, but happy birthday, cheers to life, and live long and prosper.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ankush sir. You have always been an inspirational and a role model for all of us. May God bless you with a lot of happiness, love, and success in your life. Thank you.
Hello Ankush sir, happy birthday to the best man on and off the pitch. Enjoy your day.
Wishing you a very happy birthday Ankush sir. Stay healthy, be sporty, and enlighten us like you did in the past year, and I wish to be learn always new things from us. Party hard.
Hi Ankush sir, I wish you a very happy birthday. I mean बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको आपके जन्मदिन की. एंड आई जस्ट विश एंड आई जस्ट प्रे कि आपकी सारी विशेस पूरी हों. वट एवर यू ऑलवेज ड्रीम्ड ऑफ, आपको वो सब कुछ मिले. एंड द रीजन इज कि आप एक ऐसे इंसान हो जिसके लिए दिल से सिर्फ एक ही चीज निकलती है, वो है दुआएं. एंड दैट इज नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम माई साइड बट फ्रॉम द एंटायर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वी ऑलवेज लव यू अ लॉट एंड वी लिटरली फील सो पॉजिटिव because you are there. So thank you so much for making us feel so important in the organization, and most importantly the way you are. Please maintain this because this is very rare. You are rarest among the rare even. So God always be with you and just achieve a lot of success and happiness and prosperity, of course, and good health. That is very important. Stay happy and we are always there with you. That's a promise. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ankush sir. Thank you for giving us a second home in form of this organization. Age is just a number and you are perfectly justified that.
Many happy returns of the day. You're awesome.
Hello Ankush sir, many happy returns of the day. I hope you are doing good. Stay blessed, stay healthy.
Hello sir, thank you for being a mentor for us all. I wish you a lot of happiness. Happy birthday Ankush sir.
Happy birthday to the coolest boss ever. Having you as a leader is a blessing and a privilege. Looking forward to work many more years with you. Happy birthday Ankush sir.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Wishing you a lots of happiness and love. Sending you all the virtual.
आप देखो और जुड़ जाओ, हमने आपसे ही सीखा है.
असंभव को संभव बनाना हमने आपसे ही सीखा है.
मिलकर प्रयास करो तो आसमां भी मुट्ठी में आ सकता है. जिद करो और जीत जाओ, ये हमने आपसे ही सीखा है. चले थे कभी जमीन से मगर आसमां तक पहुंच गए.
आपकी सरपरस्ती से हम कहां से कहां पहुंच गए.
विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी